Welcome to LuxMed, a testament to the Make in India mission, a global force redefining health.
LuxMed Biosafety Cabinets, BSCs, are used to protect laboratory personnel, the environment, and experimental materials from exposure to biohazards, particularly during procedures that generate aerosols. They create a controlled, enclosed workspace with HEPA-filtered airflow to contain potential contamination and prevent its spread. Here's a more detailed explanation of their uses. 1. Protection of personnel. 2. Protection of the environment. 3. Protection of experimental materials. 4. Specific applications. Aerosol generating procedures. Work with various biological agents. Tissue culture and cell biology. Aseptic processing. LuxMed looking for offshore manufacturing partner for inline country that produces goods for local demands and supply to reduce manufacturing costs or access specialized capabilities and technology access to scale global business operation. For details, please revert.